Hello everyone, here we will present the material of phrasal verbs. Our team includes me, Kesha Naura, and my friends Ganesh Indra Karina, Sahlan Fauzi, and Ausaf Saslacita.
Hello, my name is Ganesh Indra Karina, NPM 129 from Communication Studies. Phrasal verb, the basic. A phrasal verb is the combination of two or three words from different grammatical categories. A verb and a particle, such as an adverb or a preposition, to form a single semantic unit on a lexical or syntactic level. Look for verb, up for particle. Example, you can look up any new word in your dictionary. Meaning, you can find the meaning of any new word in your dictionary. 2. Go for verb, through for particle. I will go through your application form with you. The meaning, I will carefully read your application form and discuss it with you to make sure that it is correct. 3. Make for verb, out for particle. Example, I just can make Jake out at all. The meaning, I just can understand Jake's behavior. And for example 2, look means to use your eyes and up means the opposite of down. But the phrasal verb look up can have several different meanings. Look the word up in the dictionary. Look up, search for information in a book or computer. 2. I'll look you up next time I'm in London. Look up for visit someone you have not seen for a long time. Things are looking up. Look up for improve.
My name is Ausa Salajita. Now let's get into the meaning of phrasal verbs. There are some the most common verbs which can then be used as part of phrasal verbs such as bring, call, come, give, and others. The basic meaning of verbs refers to concrete action. But when a verb is part of phrasal verbs, the verb has an abstract meaning that is different from its original meaning. There are several examples where the original meaning of the verbs changed to an abstract meaning. For example, give up, which meant to menyerah, and give, which meant to memberikan. The phrasal verbs can be replaced by single verbs that have almost the same meaning. Usually, the single verbs are more formal than phrasal verbs. For example, put off with postpone, take off with remove, and turn up with arrive. Then the next material will be explained by my friend Kesha Naura.
My name is Kesha Naura, and let's get into particles in phrasal verbs. What do particles mean? In some phrasal verbs, the particle has a clear basic meaning. Look at the example of different particles used with the verb invite. On the right, you can see what the original speaker probably said. What other meanings can particles have? Most particles convey a number of different senses. For example, over can have various meanings including changing position and an idea of trueness. Where does the particle go? With verbs that have an object, sometimes the particle has to go before the object of the verb. Sometimes it must go after the object, like I have a lot of work, not I have on a lot of work. Sometimes the particles might go either before or after the object.
Verb particle construction, also known as phrasal verbs, are highly common collocation of a verb paired with a particle, adverb or preposition to achieve a figurative meaning. Look at this example. Would you please break off a piece of this chocolate bar for me? The company's bold marketing campaign will beat down the competition. Let me mull over my answer for a while. There are some rules for the use of verb particle noun format. The plural is formed by adding s to the particle, not the verb. An exception is going on, strange or amusing event, which is always plural. Verb particle noun forms are sometimes written with a hyphen. Nouns without an over are usually written as one word. Nouns with in, up, and less common particle usually have a hyphen. In pronunciation, the stress is on the verb, not the particle. Some phrasal verbs have noun forms where the particle is first. The stress is pronunciation is usually on the particle. There are also adjectives which are based on phrasal verbs. Make a note of any you meet.
That's all from us. Thank you for the attention. Goodbye, everyone.